Hello, friends! It's a lovely afternoon. Before I tell you where we are, here is your clue. The water's always splashing. Playful kids are screaming out loud. Can you guess the name of this fun spot where summer brings the biggest crowd? A. Park. B. Swimming pool. C. Zoo. Yes, we are at the swimming pool! Well done! Looks like Luffy, Iggy, and Tippy are excited to begin the day at the pool.
Yes, we are. And also excited to begin this new lesson where we will be learning about angles.
Awesome! Let me explain what angles are. When two straight lines meet at a point, they form an angle, like this.
Look, we can also make angles with our bodies. Look, Professor Fifi's cat forms an angle right there.
So do the corners of Tippy's head.
Angles are all around us. Angles can be found in shapes and in objects around us. Swimming pools have been used for recreation and sport since many thousands of years. In fact, the oldest known swimming pool existed more than 5,000 years ago in 3000 BC, discovered in Mohenjo-Daro.
Look, the corners of this rectangle swimming pool also form an angle.
Yes, in fact, that's our right angle.
Awesome! I was right. You mean there are wrong angles too?
No, Tippy, I didn't mean right and wrong. Right angle is the name of an angle that looks just like the letter L. Take a look at this paper. When we fold it twice like this, the corner where the lines meet forms a right angle. Look at the face of the clock. It's 3 p.m. The two hands of the clock form a right angle. Look at the picture frame. It has 4 right angles. A rectangle or a square have 4 right angles. A right angle can help us check if other angles are greater than or smaller than a right angle. This angle is greater than a right angle. An angle greater than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. Here are some examples. This angle is smaller than a right angle. An angle that is smaller than a right angle is called an acute angle.
I wonder why this angle is called a acute angle. What's so cute about it? It looks like any other angle to me.
Oh, Tippy, not sure about the angle, but you're a cute robot for sure. And now, all my cute friends out there, it's time for a quiz.